Hello grade 10s and welcome to my channel. I've got you today for mathematics and we will be looking at simplification of fractions. The main objective of my video is for you guys to be able to know how to choose an LCD when you are simplifying a fraction, and also for you guys to know when to cancel and not to cancel out terms. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do when you are working with a fraction, you need to check on your numerators or your denominators if there's anything that should be factorized. You have a trinomial over there and a binomial over there. They need to be factorized. So we're keeping the x plus 7 as it is. Okay, I need to make my pen a bit thick. X plus 7 stays as it is, and we are factorizing the denominator. We are keeping the x plus 7 as it is, and then factorizing the denominator into two brackets, and we need the factors of -6 that can add up to 1, that would be 3 and 2. So they must add up to a -1, the 3 must be negative, the 2 must be positive. The second fraction doesn't have anything to be factorized, and the fourth fraction we can factorize it by taking out a common factor of 2, and we are left with x plus 2. So now we have factorized, and the most important thing now is for us to be able to choose the LCD. So an LCD would be your different variants of your denominator. So if you check our denominator, we have x minus 3 and x minus 3. Then we also have x plus 2 and x plus 2. And then we have now a 2, just a 2. So we have 3 different variants of the denominator. So we don't repeat, you just take x minus 3, you take x plus 2, then you take a 2. That is your LCD, and the next thing that you do, you put everything on top of the LCD. X minus 3, x plus 2, and 2. And then anything else now is on your numerator. So now we need to be able to multiply the LCD onto the numerator. How do you now decide which one should be multiplied to x plus 7, which one should be multiplied to 3, and which one should be multiplied to 2? You check. X plus 7, you have x minus 3 and x plus 2. You have red, you have blue, you don't have a 2, you don't have green, so you're going to multiply it with 2. Here you have red, you don't have green and blue, so you're going to multiply that with 2. You're also going to multiply with x plus 2. And then here you have green and blue, you don't have red, you're going to multiply that with x minus 3. I hope guys this is it's gonna help you when you multiplying the LCD with your numerators, meaning now you multiply the numerator with what it doesn't have as a denominator. In simple terms, we can put it like that. So you have 2x plus 7, then you have negative, you need to put a bracket before the negative. 3 times 2, x plus 2, and then you have plus 2x minus 3. And then now we can go on to FOIL out. So you have 2x, to distribute the 2 or to remove the bracket, 2 times x, 2 times 7, so it's 2x plus 14 minus 2 times 3, that is 6, and then 6 times x, 6 times 2, we are going to have 6x plus 12, and now we have 2 times x and 2 times -3, that's going to be 2x minus 6, still divided with the very same LCD that you have chosen, the denominator. And please guys note, don't quickly or don't rush to factorize your denominator. Keep it as it is until you get to the last part, because sometimes you need the denominator as it is. You see, I'm not foiling out anything as in yet. So now we have 2x plus 14 minus 6x minus 12 plus 2x minus 6, all divided by x minus 3, x plus 2, and a 2. So now looking at our like terms, 2x minus 6, 2x minus 6x is minus 4x, minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x. 14 minus 12 is minus 2. It's plus 2 minus 6, it's minus 4. And then you still keep that as it is, x plus 2 and the 2. So now we have a 2 and a 4. We can take out a common factor of -2 I'll be left with, if I take out the negative 2 there, I'm left with a positive x. If I take out a negative 2 there, I'm left with a positive 2, all divided by the very same denominator that I did not want to FOIL out. Why didn't I want to FOIL out the denominator? Because now we are going to cancel out. So now, most importantly, when you cancel out, you can only cancel out if between the two terms, for example, you have a 2, you have x plus 2, if there is a multiplication between them. And also our bracket means there's multiplication in between them. You can only cancel if there is what? If there is multiplication. Or yeah, if there is multiplication, so it means the x plus 2 and the x plus 2 will cancel. Then I'll be left with also the negative 2 and the 2 will cancel. That side I'm only left with negative 1 all over x minus 3. So that is what I wanted to highlight, guys. For you to be able to cancel, you must be multiplying. If there is a plus, for example, if there was a plus there between the negative 2 and the x plus 2, then I wasn't going to be able to minus or to cancel. If there is a plus between negative 2 and x plus 2, then I wouldn't have been able to cancel out. Or a minus, I wouldn't have been able to cancel out. For example, if we come here, on this one we had negative 3 over x minus 3. I can't cancel 3 and 3 because between the x and the 3 there is a negative. That negative, it is mathematically wrong to cancel out when you have a negative, an operation between your terms. You only cancel if you are multiplying, not when you are subtracting or adding. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do subscribe, and please interact with me on the comment section. Do let me know what you would like for me to cover. I know you guys, you have some chapters that are challenging you. Please do mention them on the comment section, and that shall be covered. Thank you. Bye bye.